My name is Sarah Baker. I'm the Legislative and Policy Director with the ACLU of Missouri.
Can you state what part of the Constitution you believe gives a constitutional right to an abortion?
It's the 14th Amendment under the Due Process Clause.
Yeah, see, I think that's a failure to read the language for what it says. What specifically in that section would cause you to believe that that right exists?
So we can go further on this or more in depth. I don't want to take up too much time, but the principle under that is the right to privacy that a woman has, and the Due Process Clause has been expanded to cover many different things. The Constitution is a living, breathing document. We wouldn't be able to regulate.
That's also a rejection. That's also false. If it's a living, breathing document, then it has no meaning at all. You can make it mean whatever you want it to mean. Well, so we have a proper way of amending the Constitution. There's an amendment process.
We do have a way of amending the Constitution, of course. What I'm trying to get at
so
there
why would
is
it
that
have
the
to be
Constitution,
living and breathing?
The way that the law has been applied. Take, for example, the Heller decision about the individual right to bear arms. That's an interpretation of the Second Amendment. It's in the same way we interpret the Constitution when it comes to the amendments and the body itself. So that's what I mean by it's a living document. It is open to interpretation. It's not something
All right,
that
so let me read I have the 14th Amendment right here. So it says, the United States nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. The word right before liberty is life. So that would conflict with someone else's liberty.
I think the Supreme Court justices say it better than I do, so I will bring that decision by, and we can talk about the 14th Amendment and how it expands to cover.
Yeah, I mean, I think that the founders of the 14th Amendment meant that a woman has a right to kill her child is an abomination of the reading of the text and also of what the founders meant.